In this video, I will show you how to get Uber Eats Plus card. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over first and then go to your Uber. So go right here to your account option, and then from in there you can see all of these ones. So by getting a Plus card, you should be able to get some more earning opportunities than one you had before. So you can go right here and you can set up your business profile as well as everything right here all about. Now you can also head over right here to your browser and then go to an article by the Uber Eats Plus card, which is the shop and deliver. You can click on the start shopping option and it will direct you right here to the Uber driver, and you just need to log in. So in order to get your card, you first need to head over and then go to any green hubs, blocks, and then from in there you should be able to get it, and then you should be able to use it as well. So that's how you get Uber Eats Plus card. Hope we help.